How much YouTube paid me for 750 views, unlike the other niche which I got over 181,000 views and I was rewarded with $38. Okay, so in this educational niche, what I got in 750 views was so amazing. So let's assume this particular video rank up to 181 views, and you should know that I'll be making a lot of money. All right, so let's move over to the video so we can see the performance of the video. All right, so I got 753 views. The impression click-through rate was 9.1%, which is very, very important. If you want your video to rank and if you want YouTube to suggest your video, your impression click-through rate should be above 5.0. okay, 5.0% and above is a good way for your video to rank and for YouTube also to recommend your video. So whatever you're doing on YouTube as a creator, make sure your impression click-through rate is above 5%. okay, and the average view duration was 2.5. okay, that is 2 minutes 50 seconds, and the video audience retention is 2.50, that is 2 minutes 50 seconds, which is around 33.4%. It's not that bad. And the video had an intro, also had a top moment, also had a spike and a little dip. okay, so 51% of viewers are still watching at around 0.30%. okay, if 50%, the minimum percent for your viewers to watch for your video to rank is 50%. If 50% of your viewers are still watching above at around 0.30 mark, just know that that video is going to do well. okay, the reach, this video has gotten 5.3k impression, 5,300 impression. okay, and how viewers find this video? Through YouTube search, through external site, and also browse features, channel pages. The external site here is Twitter, Facebook, and Google search. If you immediately upload your video on YouTube, after 24 hours, start distributing your YouTube link. Like you can send it to Facebook, channel your viewers from there down to YouTube. You can send it, you can post it on Twitter, channel your viewers from there, and you can also have a community on WhatsApp where you can share your link and ask them to go and watch. All right, so this particular video was all about referring and making money, so people had to come and they watch, and the retention was very, very good. All right, so the external site are our Twitter, Facebook, and Google search, and the YouTube search terms, the terms people use in finding this video was Luno referral bonus, Luno updates, and Luno Bitcoin trading for beginners. Those were the search terms they use in locating this video. And content suggesting this video are most profitable crypto trading, that's one of my video. How to create a Luno account, that's not my video. How to make money online, that's one of my video. Luno promo code, that's not my video. How to earn 1,000 naira signing up on Luno, that's not my video. okay, so the playlist featuring this video is crypto trading. okay, that's 90%. all right, so that's the reach for this video. We'll move over to the click impression. As I said before, it was 9.1%. the unique viewers are 606. You'll be shocked to see the revenue of this video. So it's not all about uploading content. Well, jumping on different niches is not bad, but as a monetized content creator, you should know that you're not here to waste your time. all right, so move over to the engagement. The engagement got me 35.7 watch time, and we'll move over to the audience. okay, this video got 96 returning viewers, and the device type for this particular views, well, number one is mobile device. Most of the viewers used mobile device to watch this video. Okay, let's move over to the audience. We had 96 returning viewers, like 96 people returned to watch this video, and I was so surprised to see the revenue. okay, device type, we have mobile, computer, and tablet, and 69.5% came in from mobile, 29.5% came in from computer, tablet 1% came in from tablet. okay, the top geographies are Nigerians. This video gave me 25 subscribers. Now let's move over to the part of them all, the reason why you're watching this video. Before I move over there, in my previous video I made 181,000 views on an entertainment niche okay, and I was paid $38.50. So in this educational niche, I have different channels, okay, so it's not just one YouTube channel. I have different channels. So in this educational niche, you'll be shocked to see the RPM and the CPM. The RPM I got in my previous video was around $0.21 for each 1,000 views. So now let's move over to the RPM of this video. Let's see what we got. Wow, you can see the estimated revenue for 753 views, not 700,000, just 753 views. I got $9.87. How you make your money? I got made my money from watch paid ad. And the RPM for this video is $13.14. For each 1,000 views, I will get $13.14. And what advertisers are paying? Advertisers are paying $16.13. So advertisers will pay YouTube $16.13 for each 1,000 views, and YouTube will pay me, the creator, $13.14. Okay, so that is how it works. Earning type, most of my earning came in from skippable video ad, which was 92%, display ad, which was 5.7%, bumper ad, which was 1.2%, non-skippable ad, which was 0.2%, unknown 0.2. That is all for the revenue. If you followed my previous video, which I did an analysis about how much I was paid for 181,000 views, picking a profitable niche on YouTube is very, very important. Not that other niches are not okay, they are also okay, but why are you here? You're here to make money, right? So if you have up to 2 or 3 channels, you can make one a profitable niche, like a niche where you can earn up to $10 or $5 worth of RPM, okay? And you can make the other one entertainment channel where you make some passive income also. All right, so in the previous video I made $38,000. Oh my god, this week I'm just calling big figures. I believe that before the end of this month I'm going to hit those figures, because I've been calling big figures. The way I've been calling, I just said $38,000. Please, I did not make $38,000. I made $38.50 in that channel. And how you calculate your RPM? Calculation of RPM is your views divided by 1,000 multiplied by your RPM. That is how you get your revenue. Your views divided by 1,000 multiplied by your RPM. That is how you get your revenue. Okay, so for that video I got 181,000 views. It will be 181,000 views divided by 1,000. The RPM was $0.2, then times $0.2. That is how you get your revenue. For this video I got 753 views. So what you do is 753 divided by 1,000 times 13.14, and that is how I got $9.87. All right, you can see that there is a whole lot of money on YouTube, especially when you're into a profitable niche. Okay, so that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying to the end. In the next video I'm going to list out profitable niches which you should do on YouTube in 2025. Okay, see you in the next video. Peace out.